Hello guys, this is Wolverine Gaming from server 773. In this video I'm gonna tell you Frontline breakthrough level 42 tutorial step by step with slow motion guide. So make sure you watch all of it, and after so many failed attempts I have completed it. So you guys also need to try multiple times, but you can follow the guideline and complete it in very few tries. So first go to the right in front of the level and make sure you hit all those two addition points and get as many as units, and then get this AKM and move left to kill those two, and then get these two soldiers and then move left while killing the zombies, and make sure you hit the AKM again in right and get this AKM, and then kill the left side zombies, and make sure you aim on those mega zombies before those little zombies. So then make sure you stay at the left after getting 2 AKMs and you'll get through this level. Don't get any other things than 2 AKMs. Okay, so you can see we almost done and we will get through this level, and boom guys, we have completed the mission Frontline breakthrough level 42. So all the best to you also.